sorry my camera was rolling, didn't even know. But anyway, welcome to the channel, to the wIJb TV. It's your girl Jazz here for a review, a final review of this Nature's Bounty Complete Protein and Vitamin Shake Mix. It's in the vanilla bean, and let me tell you, I got some tea for you. Are you ready? The shake, it's been a while. I think like 6 weeks ago. Fell in love with the shake. It tastes amazing. Now I had to doctor it up. You have to check out this video right here. I'll just stick it there in the card, or I'll show a picture. You can click on that video. That was my initial review, and I talk about it. But this video, I want to tell you that in addition to the fact that I liked it already, there were some things that I said I was going to do to the shake to make it taste a little better, because it was not that sweet to me. I like stuff sweet and tasteful, and it wasn't as frothy as I wanted it. So I said I was going to add a little milk, add a little sweetener, you put ice, and then the cold water and the 2 scoops, you know, go by the directions, and blend it in my NutriBullet. If you have a blender, just do it in a blender and it'll be nice and frothy. I promise you, it was delicious. And for it to be protein and vitamins and collagen and all kinds of, it has a whole list of health benefits. That's good. You only drink it once a day, and there's 13 servings in this container. So a serving is basically 2 scoops, and I'm going to show you what a scoop looks like. It's empty, so I have to get more. So, and I'll tell you what the problem I'm having. So this is a scoop. You take 2 scoops and you get an 8-ounce cup of water. And put that in your blender. Put ice cubes to make it frothy, a little milk and a little sweetener. You can use honey, you can use sugar, whatever sweetener of your choice. I use sugar. I said I was going to get honey and never did get it. And I put a little sugar in there and blended it up, and it was so good. And it was real frothy. Just, and you know, like if you have a cup and it'll leave like a little mustache on there, it was like real big and frothy. I loved it. It's a good shake to take on the go. I have my little cup, which is not here. But anyway, loved it, right? It will make your hair grow. And I'm going to insert some footage, because if you guys haven't been following my channel, I have a video, and I'll stick it here as well, where I did some box braids, and they were in my hair for 3 weeks, and I took them down, I conditioned my hair, and I'm going to insert some footage of you seeing me, what I did after I took my hair down. Okay, you guys, so I don't have any footage of me washing my hair. This is just me using the Aunt Jackie's leave-in conditioner, and I will leave it in the description box below. I was real concerned about my hair. It was so dry. Oh my gosh. But this Aunt Jackie's, I promise you, if you use it, it will bring the life back to your hair. It doesn't show it here. It's a leave-in, so I left it in, and then I sealed it with Jamaican black castor oil and left it on. It totally changed the feeling of my hair. Those two combined, I felt the strength of my hair coming back. When I tell you I lost a lot of my hair, and that's common, mainly because your hair sheds daily. And if you figure I had my hair in those box braids for almost a month, your hair is, all that shedding that it didn't do, it's going to build up. So my hair shed, this is how much hair I lost. And I promise you, I was concerned a little bit, honestly. Well, actually, no, I wasn't. I wasn't concerned, but my hair was just so dry. And I promise you, the whole time I had my hair in the box braids, I put Jamaican black castor oil and water. I had a little mixture in a little bottle, which nothing is right here where I can show it to you. And I would spray it on my roots to make sure my hair wouldn't itch, and to keep it to grow and to moisturize my hair. So my hair was like super dry or whatever. That's why I'm glad I took them down when I did. So I washed my hair, just a regular shampoo, and I'll stick it here, the one that I use. And then I condition it with this conditioner right here. And everything is right here. This is my little display window. This is Aunt Jackie's, and there's a whole name to it, but I just call it Aunt Jackie's. But it's a leave-in conditioner. It is amazing, you guys. When I tell you, my hair just like snapped back. There were ringlets everywhere. My hair was so like really, really curly. And I was like, okay, it brought my hair back. I sealed my hair with this Jamaican black castor oil, which I always do that. And I just let my hair just dry naturally. And then I went ahead and put my hair in just this ponytail. what I want to go back to, because I went through this footage, and I'm gonna stick a clip, and I did a little bit of show, hopefully you can see it, of my of the growth. And I'm going to insert other pictures of when I started this journey with the Nature's Bounty. I had cut my hair, I think, back in April, or was it March? And because it was growing so unevenly, so I cut my hair. So that's a picture of me with my hair in that video. And then I colored my hair, I think maybe 6 weeks later. That's about how long it is here. And then here it is on with the takedown and the conditioning on my hair. These pictures are actual, factual. My hair has grown leaps and bounds. I stand by this shape. You about to leave? No. Oh, good. I'm not rushing you. The only thing about this shake, you guys, is that I already mentioned it, and we have to do the math, okay? So if it's only 13 servings, that's a serving a day. A serving is 2 scoops with water. That's considered 1 serving. If I'm putting 13, if that's only 13 in this container, that leaves what? How many more days? That leaves 17 or 18, depending on which month it is, days left that you don't have any, So even though I'm on a subscription, and I told you guys that I signed up for this in that other video that I will stick here, I'm on a subscription and it comes monthly. But it's only 13 servings in here. So here's what you can do. You can go to Walmart, good old Wally World. Go there. It's $12.77, so it's like 67 cents more. But you can go and you can get it. To me, I love it. It's like a routine. I like to have a regimen or a routine of how I do stuff. It will make your hair grow, as you can see. There's proof of that. It makes my nails grow as well, but I choose to wear tips because I like how my own natural nails would never be this hard, this straight, this, full, because my nails are, I guess, thin, probably because I wear tips a lot, but it's just my preference. But the main reason why I got it in the first place is to make my hair grow, and I'm totally, totally stoked for it. Try it. You'll like it. Now, I will tell anybody, I get a lot of questions of this or that. At the end of the day, you have to try it yourself. You really do. And I can't stress that enough, because what may work for me may not work for you, and vice versa. So, you can watch 100 videos and 100 reviews and still not know if it's going to work for you. You have to just jump out there and try it at the end of the day. So that's it. I didn't want this video to be too long. I wanted to kind of, sum it up, the hair growth, and talk about, the protein shake as well. Listen, I like it a lot. I have no problems with it. Do your research. Some people have delicate systems and stuff. That's not me. I'm not delicate like that. Like because when I say that, there was one, I saw a video, and if I can find it, I will link it in the description box. But there was this video I saw, and I always go to the comments, and it was somebody talking about how this protein shake actually sent her to the hospital. And I was like, wow, that's a trip. But it didn't do me like that. Apparently, it does have like an energy, energy metabolism. I would have never thought that would have done that to anyone, but everybody is different. Let's see. I think that was the only negative thing that I heard about it. Now the pills, I heard someone said on, when I say the pills, like the Nature's Bounty, the vitamins that you have to take, which I don't take those, I just rather have the shake, that the vitamins will make you have acne breakout. That didn't affect me like that either. Everybody's makeup is different, so just try it for yourself. That's it. I'm done talking. Comment, like, subscribe. If you haven't joined the family, what are you doing? Especially if you've been to my channel, you checked out my mukbangs, you checked out my DIYs, go ahead and join the family, and it'll help my channel out. Like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.